We've got 80 acres of prime farmland up for grabs in Bowling Green, Kentucky. I'm Becky Stutz with Simply Home.
I'm Jonathan Knoll with Knoll Auctioneers and Real Estate Advisors. Mark your calendars for Saturday, October the 25th, 10 a.m. Central Time. We're selling the land live on site with internet bidding available, personal property as well.
Things like guns, tractors, bulldozer, and everything else you can think of.